Do you think that it's possible to change fundamentally the way you're searching information on the web? Today I'm going to present you the new Bing chat inside Edge browser from Microsoft. Before doing that, let's take a look of the Microsoft Edge new powered capabilities with AI. On the new presentation page from Microsoft, we'll find that they present that Edge is enhanced with AI capabilities. Let's take a look on those new capabilities of AI. Let's start with the first one, Bing Chat. The presentation for Bing Chat, a request for a user to ask anything. So it can be a short or long question. It's important to be precise. This is chat prompting. Let's start with this one. Write code to find the Fibonacci sequence in Python. If I go here, you'll see that Bing starts to create in Python the code to find the Fibonacci sequence. I will ask it for dictation with Windows and H. Transform the code in Rust. I pressed enter. Let's see if it works. As you can see, it has finished transforming the Python code in Rust. You may observe also the difference in length. Thanks for watching.